Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now let's scroll down and localize the version. And here we have to localize the version number, which is a new thing because usually we should find the build number, and in this device it is version number. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. After that, we have to go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And there we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the media transcoding settings. Here we can allow window level blurs, we can show view updates, change the window animation scale, you can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs, some options connected with the networking, so the NFC, Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So quite a lot of options to choose from and to customize. In order to turn on the option, we have to tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And from now on, the developer options will disappear. I mean, we've got really limited options to choose from. What is more, after getting back to the additional settings, the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping, or the version number and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.